Can you believe it? The sun is out. The sun is out. Look at that. All right, puppies, come on. What? Over here. Hello, gang. Welcome back to Crazy Life Homestead. We're back on the farm with the horses. Bella's doing her thing. The game begins again. The bark queen. Bella, you just tell him. Can you believe it? The sun is out. The sun is out. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? It's been like this all day. It's about 55 and clear. Have you seen a cloud in the sky? I don't see a cloud in the sky. It's just a beautiful day. Thank God, because we need it, because it needs to dry up. You remember I'm telling you that it's a muddy mess? Well, it is. Kind of was. It's starting to firm up a little bit, but as again, I have been gifted some hay and straw. And that's from the neighbor next door using it for their decorations on Halloween. So we have been spreading it around and hoping that it'll soak up some of this moisture. As you can see, this is the side that has the straw on it. Say hi, Miss Bella. And then it was just an absolute mess. But since today, it has been, as you can see, it's drying up. Not too many puddles, still a little wet, but it's more firm, so you can actually stand on it. This is doing a great job of soaking up all that moisture. This is all the hay on this side. And again, I'm not doing any slipping and sliding, which is a good thing. The girls are waiting. Let's get them fed. I'm waiting on the horses to finish their feed, and when they head out to the field where I just put the hay, I'm going to take their alfalfa cubes out with me. And that's really pretty much it. They have plenty of water. Everybody's doing fine around here. Like you said, it's drying up pretty well out here. Still a couple of spots that I've noticed in front of the stalls that are, come with me, I'll show you. Duke is going to leave his stall. Yeah, I know, buddy. I'm coming to bother you. Like right in front of here, where they continuously walk in and out of their stalls, thinking that they're going to get some kind of head cover. This right here is a big old heavy patch. Sorry. This right here is a big old heavy patch of thick mud. You can see by the hoof print right there. You know, it's just thick. But this is where they mainly stand, is right here. So it is drying up, as you can see from here. There are light mud spots now. Here comes another one. Probably not as equal to the other one, but they usually work them way out. I gotta go let her out. So, give me a moment. She's probably wondering what's going on over here. Yeah, she's wondering. Isn't that a pretty sunset? Alright, Mama. You ready? Yeah, big girl ready? My pretty girl. Alright, we go. Alright, girl. You know where your pile is. Okay, so since the horses are still eating and I'm waiting, the sun is going down really quick, as you can see. I don't have a lot of light left. Let me see if I can find some light. So I'm gonna say goodnight here, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for following along. Up the tree. Look, you gotta come around.